Sup folks, 2026 Toyota Tundra. Just installed these Nerf bars. Where did we get these from? Well, it'll be in the description. Anyway, here's where you attach it. Get up underneath the vehicle. There's some bolts. TopGearAutosports.com. Alright. There's some bolts that go to like the body frame of the vehicle. And you take out the original bolts. And then you fool around with the brackets. Figure out the correct orientation. And then they bolt up. But typically I don't do work like this for the general public, because you people are, anyway, I'll do stuff like this for my good customers though. So I guess for my good customers, if you need some modifications done to the look of the vehicle, I'll hook it up. Just let me know. Auto Diagnostics.